Hi everyone! Have you ever thought how a French girl could look so stylish? Today we are going to decode some of their secrets and learn how to wear a beret with a scarf, French style. Of course, you don't have to be in Paris to wear this charming style. When I lived in Paris, I noticed that all my French colleagues and friends were wearing scarves differently, but there was one thing they had in common. Their look appeared effortless. Even if a girl spent an hour choosing her scarf and tying it, you would never guess. And this is the key to succeed this vintage French look. If you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel, How to Tie a Scarf. And now let's tie our scarf. I'm going to use this vintage silk scarf from the 70s. We will do the simplest look I've ever seen in Paris. And I saw it all the time. We fold our scarf as a triangle, place it on shoulders and tie a single knot, behind or on the side. You can show the beauty of your scarf with this fold. No complicated knots or folds, simple and effortless. Charmant, n'est-ce pas? For the next look, I'm going to use this beautiful silk jacquard scarf. The quality of print is incroyable. I fold the scarf a few times to make it narrow. Make a knot on one end. Make a loop on another end and pass it through the knot. Don't forget to make a poker face when your colleague asks who is the cher ami you are going to meet after work. Oh la la! For the last look, I'm going to use this beautiful silk all Peugeot scarf. We make a band from the scarf, tie a knot on the end. Pass another end through the knot to make a tie. If you like vintage, check the description of this video with some nice vintage scarves on Etsy. You can wear it as a tie or shift the knot on the side like this. A French girl likes to look smart. I'd like to thank my friends for the idea of this video, for all this help, all the inspiration, and all these beautiful, beautiful pictures. Thank you. If you like scarves, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see in the future. And if you need more ideas, check those videos, you may like it too. I hope to see you next time. Bye!